So we just stopped for lunch, and the funny thing is we don't know where we are. I mean, literally we don't know where we are.
Today we're leaving Bosnia, Herzegovina and Mostar. We're going to a new country.
We've had such a great time here in Bosnia, and we really enjoyed our time here in Mostar, and would love to come back someday. But now we're off to new adventures.
Before leaving Bosnia, we have one pit stop, and it's supposed to be so beautiful. This is just so stunning. I even get a little bit emotional because I'm so happy that we're here at this very time of the year, because nature is awakening again. It's all so fresh. It's beautiful. I don't want to leave. I want to stay.
I know we could have stayed here longer, but it's time to go. So we have a 3-hour drive before we arrive in Kotor, in Montenegro. So we just stopped for lunch, and the funny thing is we don't know where we are. I mean, literally we don't know where we are. We don't know in which country we are. Because we've seen different alphabet. It's a Korean alphabet on the signs, and there's also some flags that are not Bosnian, we know that. So we're not sure where we are. And we've ordered what we hope is vegetarian food. Let's see. And the food has arrived.
And it looks so good.
Was kind of hard to order since we don't speak Bosnian and English wasn't working either, so a lot of charades, and this is what we ended up with.
Omelette,
some red peppers and french fries. So this is where we had lunch. We think we have figured it out. We're still in Bosnia-Herzegovina, and we're just in the outskirts of a city called Blagaj or Bileka, and really close to the border to Montenegro. So now we have 1.5 hours, if everything goes according to plan, until we reach Kotor. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
country number 54.
Montenegro, here we come. So normally when you cross a border by car, it's not that big difference when you exit one country and enter another. But in this case there was a huge difference. The roads got so much better on the Montenegrin side. No bumps, no potholes, just plain smooth road. I already regret that I only booked one night here in Kotor. I am so sorry.
don't blame yourself, let's just enjoy it and embrace it and make the most of it.
It's such a beautiful town. I think we could easily spend a couple of days here without ever getting bored. Just walking along the water is, I mean, it's magnificent. The thing is, we're leaving tomorrow, so we only have time to do 1 out of 3 things that we really want to do. We want to see Lady of the Rocks. You can also climb a mountain or at least walk up a lot of stairs to get a magnificent view overlooking Kotor and the Bay of Kotor. And we have the Old Town. So which one should we go for?
Well, let's head for the Old Town.
Old Town it is. So up there is where the stairs are leading all the way up to ruin or something, a castle up there. But we're not doing that, we're going to Old Town.
We have found the entrance to the Old Town.
Yay!
First order of business is to eat. Someone is quite hungry. We found a place they serve pasta and they have Montenegrin wine. Ce sont très bons. And it is super.
And the restaurant is at this little square and it's just warm enough so you don't have to wear a jacket. The food has arrived.
Sweetness of the tomatoes, strength of pepper. So much flavor is going on here. It's delicious.
You just went for it. You didn't tell what you were having.
Oh, sorry. I don't know the name of it.
Pasta arrabbiata. And she's off petting cats.
Such a beautiful antique water post. And this? The Old Town is so pretty and I think you can get lost here. It's like a maze and we've been walking around for a little bit now and I am so confused.
There's all these tiny winding streets everywhere.
I'm so glad Håkan has some kind of compass built inside of him. He always knows what is north, south, east and west.